Welcome to In Business, a series produced by Good Morning Belfast for the Belfast Area Chamber of Commerce. Meet business people, nonprofit leaders, and others who work to make Belfast and Waldo County prosperous and vibrant. The Chamber of Commerce provides networking and training for businesses, strategies for new economic development, and promotions for attracting visitors to the Belfast area. Find out what's happening in business across Belfast and Waldo County, and meet the people who are making it happen.
Hello, I'm Steve Ryan. I'm the director of the Belfast Area Chamber of Commerce, and we are on site today. We're away from the Good Morning Belfast studios, and we are here at the Belfast Area Chamber of Commerce, and my guest today is Giles of Atlantic Insurance and Benefits. Welcome.
Good morning.
I have worked with a company for the year that I've been here, and what a great business, what a great supporter of the chamber. Tell us a little bit about Atlantic.
Thank you. Good to be here. We are Atlantic Insurance and Benefits, 58 High Street here in Belfast. We specialize in property casualty insurance, which is auto, home, business. We also have group health and employee benefits, which is where the agency started. About 20 years ago, my dad was working for Blue Cross Blue Shield, and he had the Maine Lobstermen's Association, and Blue Cross was going to stop writing their package for their health insurance. And he went out to them and said, look, I can put this together for you if you promise to stick with me for a little while, and that was the seed that got the company going.
That's great.
I moved out of my bedroom into the guest room, and we set up a home office for him, and he basically worked from the road. He put 180,000 miles on a car he bought, and grew the business from there, and decided that we had some flexibility with where we could be, and so we moved back to my biological mother and stepmother's hometown of Belfast, and started the agency right across the street at 17 Main, and had the opportunity to buy a building at 58 High Street, so we're there, and we're happy to be here.
Isn't that a great family business story and startup business story that you had to give up your bedroom and the company took over from there?
Yeah, I had no idea at the time that would work out for me down the road and provide me a job. I went to college knowing that I wanted to do something in the business world. I kind of liked the buying and selling and negotiating parts of insurance and business, and got out of college and got my license, and the insurance industry actually took me down to Boston for 7 years. I worked down there handling auto claims and then getting promoted into their marketing department. And it wasn't until 2013 that I got the call that we needed help up here, and I packed up and moved back to my hometown.
That is terrific. And that's, of course, a really important trend in the state of Maine and here on the Mid-Coast, is that young people are able to come back, be part of the business community, raise families, and really return to their roots. So glad you're back. What's it like being the next generation of a business? Well,
it's some big shoes to fill. A lot of people have been really happy with the level of service that my dad's been able to provide them over the years, and so I need to do that and continue to find new clients, because a lot of his clients are getting to be his age, starting to retire, and not all of them are passing the business down to the next generation.
That is terrific, and certainly the Chamber wants to help all businesses with that, and I appreciate working closely with Atlantic. Any final thoughts about where your business is headed, or what is in the near future?
Well, I would say I'd encourage people to come down and talk to us or give us a call. A lot of times you hear 15 minutes can save you a bunch of money, but you really should talk to an independent agent, and they can kind of walk you through it, because you move your house to another company and save $300 only for them to come inspect and tell you that the roof you thought could last you 5 more years is really got to be replaced right now. There goes that savings. So talk to one of us. We go out and look at every house that we insure, so that we know what we're writing, and you know what new insurance company might be looking for, because they're all starting to inspect these days.
So somebody local and somebody who knows you as a person is a good thing when it comes to home ownership.
Yeah, we're not mind readers. We need to know. We need to talk to you to figure out what you've got there to best protect it.
A good rule to live by. Loring, thanks so much.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
The Chamber of Commerce provides networking and training for businesses, strategies for new economic development, and promotions for attracting visitors to the Belfast area.